Hi all. Now what we're going to do is we're going to talk about a modified contour line. So a modified contour line, the biggest difference between a blind contour line is that you can glance down at your paper. So this way, when you glance down at your paper, you can check proportion, but you can also make sure that your shapes are closed and that your objects end up in the correct spot. So what I mean by that is that the nail on your thumb is where it belongs. So let me show you how we're going to do that. So I'm going to turn my camera to the paper again. And I'm going to draw my thumb. Okay, so I can keep my thumb right next to my drawing now because I am allowed to glance down. But don't get too caught up with just drawing your thumb and not looking, because that's how your thumb's going to look like a symbol. So again, my pencil is moving very slow. And I see the lines. Now I'm getting to where my nail is, so I can see where I want to line it up, and I glance down. And notice how everything is ending up in the right spot now. My thumb goes upward. It comes down. I see there's a part of my knuckle there, so I want to go back to get that information. I can retrace my lines. Now I see that looks a little different, so I can actually go back up, retrace, correct my proportions, and there I have my thumb. So now I'm going to do my hand. So I'm going to look at my hand. And I'm going to start with my wrist. And again, I can glance down at my paper. It's a moving line. Uh-oh, looks like I'm going to go over the other part of my drawing. It's okay to pause, figure out how you're going to get from one part to another. Again, really checking proportion. Oh, I'm going to run off the page. Okay, so that's my modified contour line. I do see if I went back, I missed some lines down on the bottom, but the major difference is that you can glance down at your paper. So go ahead, try your thumb using a modified contour line, your hand using a modified contour line, and then you can pick two objects that you would like to draw using a modified contour line. Don't pick up your pencil, and you may glance down at your paper.